Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to combine first, middle and last name in one Excel cell. So let's begin. As you can see, I have a table that consists of three data: first name, middle name and last name. So if I want to combine the first name, middle name and last name, I can simply use a formula and then I can process hundreds of data in just few seconds. First, we need to create another table. As you can see, I have a table right over here. And then I'm going to enter equal sign and then I'm going to type down concatenate. As you can see, we have the concatenate on the second option. So I have selected concatenate and now I'm going to select the first name right over here. And then I'm going to enter a comma. And then what we need to do is we need to insert double quotation. Make sure to enter a space in between double quotation. Then enter another comma, select the middle name. And then I enter another comma, then another double quotation with space in the middle, then select another comma and select the last name. And now you can end parentheses and hit enter. So as you can see, my full name has been combined, and you can just simply copy down the formula like this and the whole formula will be copied all the way to the bottom. So that is how you can process hundreds and thousands of data and merge them in just simple dragging. And there is also another formula, that's why I left this blank cell right over here. So I'm going to click equal again, and then I'm going to select the first name. I'm going to hit and then we need to enter a double quotation with space in the middle again. Then we need another and we need to select another name. A similar way, another and another quotation with space in the middle, another and then select the last name. So as you can see, this formula also worked and we have merged all three columns and we have our full name. Now if you want to remove the first table for some reason, then this formula will be disrupted. To demonstrate, I will delete this column. As you can see, this full name is not working anymore. In this case, what you need to do is copy all of these data and click on Ctrl+Shift+V, and then we can now delete any column that we want because those are not formulas anymore. Those have been converted into names only. So if I delete the table, we have our new table right over here. So as you can see, I have my table right over here and I have merged all of the three datas, all of the three names, and then I have my full name consisting of first name, middle name and last name, all three cells merged into one. So guys, that's how you can combine first, middle and last name in one Excel cell very easily. If you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like these.